What family do chimpanzees belong to? Hominidae. What is the average lifespan of a chimpanzee in the wild? 30 to 40 years. Which continent are chimpanzees native to? Africa. What is the primary diet of chimpanzees? Omnivorous. Who is the famous for her long-term study of wild chimpanzees? Jane Goodall. What tool is often used by chimpanzees to extract termites from mounds? Sticks. Which species of chimpanzee is known for using tools in the wild? Common chimpanzee. What is the social structure of a chimpanzees group called? Troop. Chimpanzees share about 98% of their DNA with which species? Humans. What is the gestation period of a chimpanzee? 12 months.